message to California for me? Tell California Radio Man with this 85 watts and this big old M107 said, a happy bam, 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 sucker punch, and I'm reading this mail.
Oh, this mobile in Gary, Indiana, standing by, baby.
8525, you don't hear no one no bad news. 85 Radio Man, Radio Man, Jesse James, Dallas.
I think you said 268, 268. Radio Man, coast of California, waving right back.
525, oh, top shot of my little best, you know. This is Jesse James, 854, Dallas, Texas, getting up. Oh, Radio Man, Matt, this is Big Horn City. I just got up. Let's jump in there on top of everybody, Jesse.
I heard Radio Man in the Big Horn. But is that Radio Man in Big Horn, or are you calling Radio Man from the Big Horn? Shame on the mess. That is so doggone confusing. There's a Radio Man 320 in the Big Horn. So, I gotta be careful. Radio Man, biggest mud Dutch in the USA, just got down. I don't even know why I'm rolling a video, Kate. Don't have any clue why I'm rolling a video, Kate, when I don't have any conditions. Shame on the mess. Radio Man, coast of California, with this 85 watt station and this big old 37 foot M107, and I just got down.
We're just saying it to me.
Boss Hall, Texas, Mustang, standing by.
Hello, Boss Hog, Radio Man, California.
I will tell you, John Denver. You're on the BYU, boys.
Well, there's that 87 out there talking to John Denver. Good morning, time 87. Radio Man, coast of California, and I'm standing by.
John Denver, West,
working around California. Radio Man said so.
Roger, Radio Man, you doing the same thing back this way. It was all that hooping and hollering and you teed up and all I got you. Radio Man, you're 181 in Texas, let's go.
Roger that on there at 181. Pointing my M107 a little bit more down that way. I guess it helps a little bit. 181, you're making about 15 on me. I'm rolling a video gate right now, sounding real good. 181, Radio Man, back out.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, Radio Man, you sounding real good, man. When you gonna post that gate up, Cotton Figure? I'd like to take a look at that. I have you down here about 20 dBs.
Oh, 20. All by myself, maybe. Hey, yeah, you can check that out at Radio Man 1351 on YouTube. Man 1351, Roger.
Coming there, he just kind of took over my receive. Roger, Radio Man, appreciate it. We're gonna go check it out, man. Had a little time off today, so I'm talking on this borrowed equipment over here at 65, probation officer's place. Thank you, Radio Man. 181, put it on you later. Have a good 2012, and I'm gone.
Alright there, 181. I think you came in around 4 minutes. And I'm just going to kind of crisscross everybody else before you because I didn't get a real good condition on them. I may have heard them one time and then they faded right out of my radio, but you're the only one that's staying in my receive right about now. 181, take care, my friend. Happy New Year to you and yours. Radio Man on this 85-watt station just got down.
Roger, check.
He won't smoke back at you, though. Hello, John Denver, dog. Killer say he won't smoke back, baby.
Hey, Dog Killer, tell John Denver, my friend, Radio Man said hello. Hey, Dog Killer, tell John Denver, my friend, Radio Man said hello. Dog Killer, Radio Man is gone. Stonewall. Good afternoon time, Stonewall. Radio Man, California, waving your way.
What we said was your fucking queen.
Lord have mercy, old John Denver tearing up my theme.
Denver sound now. Hey, Stonewall, I just moved my beam about 2 degrees. How does John Denver sound now? Hey, Stonewall, Radio Man being nosy, break.
Yes, old John Denver can't hear Stonewall.
That should make it a little bit better. I was trying to do it on the Barefoot Radio. I was trying to do a little talk on the Barefoot Radio down here around Little Rock. Oh, Capital One, Razorback.
Hello, around Little Rock. You say you were trying to do a little bit of talking on the barefooted side, man. Walking out barefoot out here, that can be kind of dangerous, man. There's a whole lot of thorns that might stick you. Hello, around the Razorback, Radio Man, coast of California, waving your way.
About a DX land, about a DX and 835 Razorback Mobile, right? There's old radio talking out there, hello.
Little radio's talking around California. Little bitty radio's talking around California, but I don't think I can get it back. My 85-watt station just can't make it 2,500 miles. Radio Man, coast of California, and I'm standing by.
You need to know, no doubt about it. Hello, Mr. John. Once again, appreciate that shout.
I try for that Pistol Pete real quick. Good morning time, Pistol Pete. Radio Man, coast of California, standing by.
10-4 shot. What do you say, shotgun? Yeah, we're going to find it. You say you're doing a fine play. John, Capital One downtown Little Rock, right back.
Hey, Little Rock, it'd be a radio man on this M107. Hey, Little Rock, it'd be a radio man on this big old M107 37-foot antenna. Oh, Little Rock, radio man just got down.
Take it over here.
Well, I heard the last year, y'all can't be here at all, fall up, couldn't make nothing out there, so. Well, y'all take care, eat a time to both of you. Happy New Year to both of you. Old Capital One, Razorback out.
So, you take it?
I think you're saying Chapel One. Hey, Chapel One, radio man. Hey, Chapel One, radio man says, bam, 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 sucker punch. Should I read this mail?
Bam, bam, sucker. Behave yourself. Old Capital One.
Hey, Chapel One, ain't nobody but a radio man with this big old M107. Hello, Chapel One, me and my 85-watt station just got down.
Get there. One hell of a signal. He talked about cherry patch. You're right there.
Who's in the cherry patch? I want to be in the cherry patch. Who's in the cherry patch? Radio man being nosy, right?
You can take that intro and make a good picture rod out there, carry me. That's what you can do with it. Old Capital One, go.
I'm going to take his Antron and whoop him upside his own head with it. I'm going to take his Antron and whoop him upside the head with it. Me and my M107 just got down.
Hello,
Audio.
She's staying by 10-4 on a Magnolia State. Well, here's somebody like around the Obama country, but I think I make them out there to ship a whole Capital One, ring the back out.
Proper wave. Razorback. Hawaiian Islands. Audio Junkie. Smoky Hill, Tennessee.
Good morning time, Audio Junkie. Hey, Audio Junkie, good morning time. Good afternoon time. Audio Junkie, radio man. Hey, Audio Junkie, your friend around California waving a hand 1 time, 2 time. Hey, Audio Junkie, radio man waving a hand 3 times. I just got down.
What would you need a witness for? What would you need a witness? Hey, out there, Big Phil. John Denver, audio man. You got my receiver plumb full over here in Missouri, boys. Let's see who's got what Grasshopper wants to know.
Grasshopper, radio man. Grasshopper, radio man. Grasshopper. I'm all you hear right about now. Grasshopper, radio man. Coast of California. Going bam, bam, sucker punch. And I just got down. Hey, Grasshopper, who you waiting on? Grasshopper, radio man, been there and gone. Grasshopper, radio man, been there and gone. Grasshopper, I'm gone again.
I need it, man. This thing ain't talking around Magnolia Station.
Grasshopper, who you waiting for, Grasshopper? Hey, Grasshopper, who you waiting for? Grasshopper, radio man, been there and gone.
Wished I had some damn playback. I wish I had some Watergate, just so y'all know. I'd kind of like to tell y'all who's doing what right now, who's got the conditions and everything, but goddamn it, I'm afraid y'all might think I'm lying. Man, it's a close race, though. Ain't no shitting. Close race, John Denver, but you did kind of make it over the top, man. You did that time, anyhow. Hello, John Denver. Grasshopper with a New Year's 2012 Laser 400 on the flat side wave. Let's go.
Grasshopper, radio man. Grasshopper, radio man. Grasshopper, radio man. Grasshopper, radio man. Going bam, bam, sucker punch around California. Grasshopper, your radio man is gone.
I talked to you this morning.
Hey, Hey, Grasshopper, don't wait on that John Denver, Grasshopper. Don't wait on him. Don't wait on that John Denver, Grasshopper. Radio man, been there and gone. Bye, Grasshopper. Bye, Grasshopper. Radio man, gone again. Me and my 2 pills. Me and my 2 pills and my 85 watts just got down.
Probably gonna help somehow, man.
I can't figure out who he was. Might be an audio man, maybe, or somebody in there. Ain't quite made it out yet, but anyway, he claims he's got 2 pills and 85 watts going. Tell you what, man, he's kicking some serious ass with 2 pills now.
I claim it. I'll show you. I claim it, and I'll show you. Me and my 2 pills, my 85 watts. Yeah, I'd show a little bit more than 85 watts, but I'll show you why. That's my SWRs. I got over 3 SWRs, and I'm running this 85 watts, ain't no doubt. Radio man, 85 watt station just got down.
John Denver, your friend up here in the top side of the Show Me State, cruising this Laser 400 hovering over the house. The wife refers to it as the 747. See you, John. Bye.
We're going to...
John Denver, radio man, said, bam, 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 sucker punch. John Denver, radio man, said, bam, 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 sucker punch with this 85 watts. Bye, Grasshopper, radio man, John. Bye, Grasshopper, radio man, John again. Bye. Hey, Grasshopper, radio man. Hey, Grasshopper, radio man, John again. Bye.
Pull down. Ball's all day. Bill. Big Bill. Ball's all gone. Hey, John Denver, you need to get old Boss Hog and Grasshopper off your mind. Off your mind. John Denver beat nobody at old 302 around Kentucky, and I just got down.
Hey, 302, you gotta get John Denver off your mind. Hey, 302, radio man said you gotta get John Denver off your mind. Hey, 302, what's going on? Radio man, coast of California, just got down.
Hey, that's a Roger, John Denver. You have yourself a super fine one at the end and a good 2012 coming up. John Denver, 302, Kentucky, Bluegrass State. I'm reading the mail.
John Denver got me to hop up and down. John Denver got me to hop up and down on my new trampoline. Shame on the miss. But I can't get over that John Denver and his 30,000 watts. Me and my 85 watt station, 2 pill, got down. Bye.